Ntabiseng Nzama is charged alongside her father. The father is the alleged hitman behind the attempted murder of Vusimuzi, Cat Matlala's former partner, Tebogo Tobejani. The state alleges that around the time of Tobejani's shooting incident, Nzama received at least 100,000 rand from Matlala's Medicare 24 business account. It says a portion of the money was then deposited into her father's bank account. The prosecution believes that the money was payment to her father for the shooting.
How we then get to the conclusion that because she deposited the money into her father's account, that then means she ought to have known. I don't know how we get there, because remember also this was back in 2023. I don't know if a lot of South Africans knew what Medicare 24 was in 2023. To her, it was a business that deposited money. Her father told her, somebody's going to deposit money, you should do 1, 2, 3, 4 with that money, and she did that.
The state further alleges that 5 days before music producer Sienki Mogubung was shot at, Nzama received another 10,000 rand from Matlala's business bank account. It says more than 4,000 rand was deposited into her father's account again. According to the prosecution, the transaction was payment from Matlala for her father to pull the trigger. Nzama's legal team unsuccessfully approached the office of the National Director of Public Prosecutions to have the money laundering charges against her withdrawn.
We were a bit disappointed. We did not expect that even the NDPP would decline. The reason why we did the raids in the first place was because we had the strong belief that the charge of money laundering vis-a-vis the what is in the docket did not tally up. We did not think that what they have in the docket would sustain the charge of money laundering beyond reasonable doubt.
The state believes that the transactions into Nzama's account were an attempt to conceal the nature and source of the payment. As Nzama and her co-accused are expected to go on trial on Monday, her legal team has expressed concerns.
We are seriously concerned about the duration of a trial, considering that her charge or her supposed part in this whole thing is so small. I mean, it's really minute in the bigger scheme of things and the charges that, are on this trial.
The state is adamant that all 5 accused acted in concert with one another. They will now have to answer to a slew of charges, including 11 counts of attempted murder. Neria Shakota, SABC News, Johannesburg.